I doom scrolled so long that fake Roku City came on. Instead of a city, I get nature. Roku nature? Come on, I want to see the next one. What's next? Wow. 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 Come on, what's next? What's next? Come on. What is it? What's it gonna be? Come on. A mountain. I think it's gonna be a mountain with an ocean and a sunset. Come on. Oh my god, I could take a nap. Oh shit, I fear my candle is lit. Oh my god, what the fuck? Wow. Wow, wait. It's a mountain with an ocean with a sunset.